extraction. Serial extraction is a planned extraction of deciduous teeth followed by the extraction of first permanent premolars to allow a crowded dentition to erupt in a more natural position so that the fixed mechanotherapy, the time, the duration, the cost, it is reduced. So it prevents a malocclusion from being a full-blown malocclusion, but the patient will have minor crowding or minor spaces which are left after serial extraction, and that can be completed with the help of simple mechanotherapy. So serial extraction is also called as guidance of eruption. Let us learn the indication. It is indicated when the space discrepancy is severe, there is more than 10 mm crowding, and it is a class 1 skeletal pattern. That means there is no skeletal class 2, no skeletal class 3. The indication of serial extraction is severe space discrepancy, that is crowding in the maxillary and the mandibular dentition in a class 1 skeletal pattern with no skeletal problems. Now comes the question, if the patient has come to you at an early age and there is crowding present, so why do serial extraction? Why not try to fit all the teeth in the arch? But the space from the mesial of the 6 on one side to the mesial of the 6 on the other side will not grow substantially. It is almost fixed, and therefore it is necessary that if there is a space discrepancy, then the extraction will be needed. You cannot convert an extraction case into a non-extraction case just by starting treatment in the mixed dentition. You can convert a borderline case into a non-extraction case if you are taking space of the leeway space, if you are preventing any other problems from occurring. But otherwise, you cannot convert an extraction case into a non-extraction case. But serial extraction will be indicated when you have a class 1 patient with severe crowding. That crowding should be more than 10 mm per arch. The serial extraction, like I told you in the first sentence, is the planned sequence of extraction of primary teeth and permanent first premolar. So that is why the serial extraction, it has to be done only in limited cases and only when the indication is proper, because it involves the extraction of 4. Milk tooth extraction is not an issue, but this is of 4 that we are going to extract. The advantages I have told you: minimizes the full-blown malocclusion, reduces irregularity and crowding of permanent teeth, reduce treatment time in permanent dentition, allow teeth to erupt in more natural position over the alveolus, and the result is more stable.
It can't avoid totally malocclusion.
Yes. Originally it was advocated as a mode of treatment of severe crowding, but now it is viewed as an adjunct to fixed treatment to reduce the severity. And after serial extraction, you have to do fixed mechanotherapy to give the ideal class 1 canine and class 1 molar relationship and all the 6 keys to normal occlusion.